Assalamualaikum, Namaste, Sat Shri Akal, Adab. Hello viewers. In today's episode, I will take you to the historical and cultural city of Hyderabad, Deccan city or the city of pearls. Here we will visit the Osmania University. I am so excited. Osmania University, one of India's oldest and most prestigious educational institutes, located in the heart of Hyderabad, Telangana. The university campus is spread across nearly 4 square kilometers, making it one of the largest university campus in Asia. It is also the most beautiful in the Indian subcontinent. The campus is home to near 5,000 plus trees. Sir Akbar Haidari was the pioneer behind this institute. He was supported in his work by the generous contribution and involvement of the Nizam himself. The university's architecture is a blend of traditional Deccan and Western styles. It is loosely based on the Indo-Saracenic style, but inspiration of the Mamluk architecture in Egypt and the Qutub Shahi architecture as well. It has resulted in the creation of a unique and inspiring environment for students and visitors alike. The use of local materials and traditional techniques added to the charm and historical significance of the campus. Osmania University, founded in 1918 by the 7th Nizam of Hyderabad, Mir Usman Ali Khan. Osmania University was the first Indian university to adopt Urdu as the medium of instruction. This revolutionary step aimed to make higher education accessible to all, breaking the barriers of foreign languages. The iconic art college, designed by Belgian architect Mansour Jasper, is a testament to his architectural vision too. The building's pinkish granite stone and intricate arcs are reminiscent of the Ajanta and Ellora caves. Its alumni represent India all over the world. Osmania University has produced many notable alumni who have made significant contribution to various fields. Among them are P.B. Narasimha Rao, former Prime Minister of India, R. Jayapal Reddy, Asaduddin Owaisi, K. Chandrasekhar Rao, the current Chief Minister of Telangana, Sania Mirza, the tennis star, Saina Nehwal, P.V. Sidhu, tennis and badminton, Dia Mirza, Farhan Naz, Tabbu, Talal Aziz, Shabana Azmi, Nagarjun, celebrities. Shivlal Yadav, Abid Ali, Arshad Ayub, Muhammad Azhar Uddin, the cricketer and captain of Indian team, Muhammad Shiraz. Last but not the least, Sarojini Naidu, the Nightingale of India, also the alumni of Osmania University. If still you are watching my video, please like, comment and subscribe and share your circle. Please comment me and tell me about Osmania University, who are related to Osmania University and the education system. Stay with me and to know the more information. My dear brother and sister, if you wish to study in Osmania University to get the most accurate and up-to-date information, I recommended checking the official website of Osmania University. I will give you in my description the link. You can visit here. Please follow the description link and the instruction and get the accurate information. The Osmania University, known for education but also for culture and heritage. The university conducts its own entrance exam for various courses and programs. For postgraduate undergraduate, diploma, medical, engineering and research also. Watch the beautiful design inside of the art faculty of Osmania University. There are lots of different things that you can learn here, like computer science, civil engineering, electric engineering, or many other courses which are famous all over the world, like law faculty, humanitarian, and many more. When we mention Jamia Millia Islamia, the name of Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar comes to mind. When we mention Aligarh Muslim University, Sir Syed is immediately recalled. Similarly, when we think of Osmania University, the name of Usman Ali Khan comes to mind. Their works and intentions made our life too privileged and grateful today. I relates to Sociology department, that's why I am showing you the Sociology department and many more other departments also. Life of Osmania University is vibrant and dynamic, with a strong emphasis on culture and diverse academic excellence. The campus is home to students from all over India and the world, creating a melting pot of ideas and perspectives. Osmania University is the finest legacy left by the Cement Nizam of Hyderabad. That legacy has turned Hyderabad into a center for learning, higher education, a center of innovation and technology. The University College of Engineering, established in 1929, is one of the oldest engineering institutes in India. It offers a wide range of undergraduate, postgraduate and doctorate programs in various engineering disciplines. Here have not possible to show every department in one video. I will make another video for other department. I am showing you the important and popular departments of Osmania University. You can watch the left side of mine, Osmania University's Ladies College. The Civil Engineering Department in particular has a rich history of producing top-notch engineers. The College of Arts and Social Science, inaugurated in 1990, is another jewel in the university's crown. Initially houses in rented buildings, it moves to its current majestic structure in 1935. The university is known for its diverse range of programs and its commitments to academic excellence. See you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.